and healthy every day. Alhamdulillah, I am very healthy today. Friends, before we start our lesson, let's say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, today we are going to learn about science. The new topic is about shadow. Are you ready, friends? Check this out. Okay, friends, please pay attention for this video. What do you see in this video? Yeah, this is a bird. How can Miss Shifa make this with Miss Shifa hands? So, this video is related to our topic. From the previous video, what are you getting, friends? Yeah, there is a shadow from Miss Shifa's hands. So, what is shadow? Yeah, shadows happen when objects block the light. After this, Miss Shifa will show you some examples of shadow. These are the shadow of two people. These are the shadows of animals' toys. This is the shadow of tree. These are shadows of flower and vase. And these are the shadows of three pencils. Okay, friends, here Miss Shifa has two examples about the shadow. Look at this carefully. What do you think? Yeah, of course different, because the objects are different. If the object is different, the shadow will be different too. So, the shape of shadow follows the object. Next, look at the pictures. Why is the shadow dark? It's because there is less light. Less light. Okay, now let's learn more about shadow. First, please watch the video carefully. Okay, friends, Miss Shifa will explain here. When the thing move away from the light, the shadow becomes smaller. And then, when the thing is near with the light, the shadow becomes large. Now, before Miss Shifa explain other, Miss reminds you to make sure that you understand the information in the previous video. Remember that the shadow is depend on the object. Shadow is depend on the object. Remember ya? For example, the cat shadow created by cat object. The cat shadow is created by cat object. Next, Miss Shifa is going to explain more about shadow. A shadow can be a different shape. How come? Yes, because there are two factors that influence it. The first is the light position. The first is the light position. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. The picture has different shadow, even all the same object. Look at the pen. The pen that is under the lamp has no shadow. Has no shadow. While the pen in the middle is slightly further from the light, has a short shadow. And the pen that is far from the light has a longer shadow. The second is depend on the surface of the place. Depend on the surface of place. Please look at the picture. Try to pay attention to the left shadow. The shape is like a zigzag. The shape is like a zigzag because the surface is multi-level. And the next picture is a flat surface. Flat surface. So the shadow is straight. The shadow is straight. So the reason why the shadows can be different shape is because of the position of the light source and the place of the surface. Do you understand? The reason why the shadows can be different shapes is because of the position of the light source and the place of the surface. Good. Next, the shadows have no color. No color. They are always dark. Always dark. So, Miss Shifa will give you some example that you can see. The object is in color, but the shadow is still dark. The object is in color, but the shadow is still dark. And the last one is the shadow does not appear as the tile as the object. The shadow does not appear as the tile as the object. Here, Miss Shifa will give you example. The picture of human shadow. Do you see the detail of the eyes or nose? No, it's because the shadow is not as detailed as the object. Because the shadow is not as detailed as the object. Remember, I'll